Hi, I'm Jack Shilley and this is another houseplant in 60 seconds. Today we're talking about Alocasia amazonica or elephant's ear, which is this plant here. They're another really easy houseplant to look after. In terms of positioning, somewhere that's partially shady. So they don't like bright sunlight, but they equally don't want total dark shade either. They like moist but well-drained soil. They don't like to be sat in water too much. So watering little and often is the best method to keep this plant looking great. Feed it a couple of times a year. In terms of pests and diseases, it's generally disease-free, but it is susceptible to pests such as red spider bite and mealybug. Now, the best control for these is regularly making sure that you are keeping an eye on your plants, removing any dead, diseased or damaged foliage and discarding it away from your plants. Making sure that you are regularly wiping the plants down, so that's using a damp tea towel or using some plant wipes. But if you do find yourself in an infestation, you should make sure that you are removing any severely affected foliage as quickly as you can. In some instances where the infestation is very severe, there is little you can do. There are some pesticides that you can use on your indoor plants. Make sure it's particularly specified for use on indoor plants. With regular maintenance and regular checks, you shouldn't ever get to that point. That's Alocasia amazonica.